So I think I was the first one on the team here to use Saras because I was really excited about getting a data warehouse at HexCloud. I just felt like with all of our channels, everywhere we're spending, we had a bunch of different tools that we were looking at. And I just wanted all the data in one place because I just thought that we were missing out and leaving money on the table. And I really thought that having a clean data warehouse we were going to make money. Like we were just the return on this is huge. And I'm seeing it already. I asked the growth team at HexCloud to send me information, and like they sent me these awesome looking sheets, and I'm like, is that from Saras? And yeah, I'm like, so I'm stoked. Everyone at the organization is adopting it. At the management level, for me, it's really, really important that I don't have to go. People send me 5 different spreadsheets or digging around, and they pull data. Like every single piece of data at HexCloud is being pulled into Saras, and I'm really stoked.
Yeah, Jason got me on it. And I was super hesitant about data lakes, data warehouses. Like you hear these things all the time, and I'm like, our business is too simple. Like, why the fuck am I going to pay an additional fee to have, the information I already have access to put in one place? But then they actually set the thing up for me, and then I realized like how backwards what we were doing was. So we have something called the daily growth dashboard, okay? And it's all spend from all marketing channels and all revenue from all markets put into one thing. And then that's just grown over time. We've been using it for like 8 years at this point. So there's so much data in there, and it's so manually manipulated. So we have somebody pull in ring revenue in Canada every day. Okay. So we probably have 4 full-time people who are just feeding information into this. And Saras just replaces all of that. Saras is like, look, we'll just hook up directly into all the Shopify markets. We have 5 of them. We'll pull in all of the Amazon markets. We have 8 of them. We'll pull in wholesale information. We'll pull information from Fulfill. And so I've rebuilt the daily growth dashboard, but with actual data connection and not just people typing shit into spreadsheets. So you get more accurate information, and then you just have the next layer of insight to pull from there. So now I can see ring customer cohorts from Amazon. We never had that before because no one was actually pulling that information in. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it probably pays for itself just from like the data entry employees that don't have to do that anymore.
And what I'm most excited about too, Sean, is like how we layer AI over all this data at some point. Like I want to chat GPT this stuff and just be like, hey, tell me what this was then, and compare this year over year, and not have to like log in and look stuff up. Like I'm getting Tableau reports and things like this out of it, but I want to just be able to talk to it and get it there. And I think that's next.
Yeah. And so one reason I was hesitant is I thought the future would be Shopify built in AI, right? Or Claude hooks up to Shopify and Amazon and all these different things. But actually, I don't think that's going to happen. I think what's going to happen is you're going to have to take your data and put it into something you own and control, a data lake or a data warehouse or whatever you want to call it. And so that's why I embraced Saras. I think Shopify will roll out a data tool, or other people will build awesome AI data tools that then you take your data and plug it into. So if you want to be ready for an AI future, there's a couple different ways AI could happen. I think the most likely one is you actually have to have all your data in one place. I don't think it's going to be smart enough to pull in just rich Amazon data or whatever. So anyway, you have to set that up. You got to pay people to do it. We went with Saras based on Jason's recommendation. I'm paying them. I was paying them before they sponsored the podcast, but they liked Jason so much, they came on board. So thank you so much.